When it comes to iconic Hong Kong bakery treats, the pineapple bun stands at the top of the list. Crispy on the outside, fluffy and soft inside, it's a bite that brings back childhood memories for many. Today on Mini Spoon Asia, we'll show you how to make pineapple buns using tangjong. Making tangjong is quite simple and makes a big difference in the final texture. Combine bread flour with water in about a 1:5 ratio and cook over low to medium heat while stirring constantly. As it heats up, the mixture thickens into a soft paste. You'll know it's ready when the spoon leaves trails as you stir. Smooth, not lumpy. Be careful not to let it boil. Once done, set it aside to cool completely before mixing it into the main dough. This cooked flour paste helps retain moisture, giving the buns that stretchy, fluffy texture and extending shelf life without drying out. Once cooled, combine it with the rest of the dough ingredients, including eggs, sugar, milk powder, and yeast. Knead until the dough becomes elastic and can stretch into a thin window pane. Then knead in the butter and let it rise until doubled in size. After the first rise, divide the dough into small balls. Shape them with sealed bottoms and let them rest. Meanwhile, prepare the pineapple crust by mixing butter, sugar, egg, and cake flour into a dough. Chill the crust to make it easier to handle. Flatten and place it on top of each bun, then score a crisscross pattern using a knife or dough scraper. Brush the tops with egg yolk and bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 18 to 20 minutes until golden and fragrant. These are best enjoyed fresh out of the oven. The crust is crisp, the bread is tender, and they're absolutely perfect with milk tea. For best results, make sure your tangjong is thick and cooked, your dough is kneaded until fully developed, and your crust stays dry enough to form that signature crackled top. The combination of good structure and timing makes all the difference. What you need is high gluten flour 260 grams, cake flour 75 grams, sugar 50 grams, eggs 1 for dough, butter 25 grams for dough and 45 grams for crust, yeast 5 grams, milk powder 10 grams, milk 105 milliliters, water 40 milliliters for tangjong, egg yolk 1 for brushing, low gluten flour 90 grams for crust, sugar 40 grams for crust, egg 1 for crust. And calories is approximately 320 kilocalories per 100 grams. If you're ready to recreate this iconic Hong Kong bun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia, where classic Asian flavors rise in your home oven.